Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy Vivo easy method. Start by gathering granulated sugar, flavoring, and a clean spinner bowl, then preheat the machine until it reaches spinning speed. Use a small scoop to add sugar, hold the cone steady, and collect threads with gentle turns to build light clouds. I'll share tips to avoid clumps, control sweetness, and serve immediately for best texture safely. Let's walk through ingredients and flavor choices for cotton candy Vivo. Use fine granulated sugar or specialized flossing sugar for best results, and add oil-based flavor drops sparingly to avoid clumping. Choose bright colors for visual appeal and measure about 2 tablespoons per batch for consistency. Always dry mix colors, avoid moisture, and store sugar in airtight containers. I'll explain timing. Now we'll cover spinning technique and safety tips for cotton candy Vivo. Keep hair and loose clothing away from the spinner and supervise kids at all times. Use a steady wrist to rotate the cone, collecting strands evenly and trimming excess with scissors if needed. If clumps form, stop and clean the head before continuing. Maintain distance from hot parts, unplug after use, and cool components before storage for safe handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.